Hello everyone, Chris here from Llantriston Tennis Club. Today I'm going to show you a little drill which involves hitting against a wall. You need a racket, a ball and a wall. What I'm going to be doing, hitting the ball against the wall, one bounce when it comes back. As the ball bounces up to its highest point, I'm going to try and contact the ball as it's coming back down. Okay, so a little bit of footwork needed and a bit of timing as well. So have a little look at this. Okay, so each time there, I'm making contact with the ball after it's come down from the highest point of the bounce. Okay, if this was in a tennis rally, that's the point we want to contact the ball. We don't want to contact when it's up at the highest point of the bounce, if we can. Okay, give that one a go at home. Best of luck. Take care.